Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another latest update of the Ankr coin. This video is going to be very special, going to be very important for all Ankr coin holders, my friends. Watch this video before end of July, my friends. Watch this video before end of July. You know what, my friends? In this video, I'm going to discuss the secret tips of the Ankr coin in the July. So never miss, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe ABS Tech channel, so ABS Tech channel will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. Now my friends, let's start the video. The current price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.06 USD dollar. 0.06 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Ankr coin in the market. And on the other side, if you look the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Ankr coin, so everything is going good in the Ankr coin, my friends. But you can see here that the main thing is that the changes of the Ankr coin price. You can see here, my friends, that the last 24 hours and the last 1 hour changes occurs in the Ankr coin price is positive. The both changes is positive. So my friends, the last 24 hours change is positive and the last 1 week change occur in the Ankr coin is negative. So that's mean that in a previous time the price changes of the Ankr coin is negative, but now in the latest situation the Ankr coin price change is positive, my friends. So that's clear that Ankr coin started jumping from yesterday. From yesterday Ankr coin started jumping. And my friends, you know what, why the Ankr coin started jumping yesterday? What's the reason behind that? My friends, the reason is only one, which I also told you in my many videos, but a lot of people don't take serious my videos. In the India of month, the price change after every coin, my friends, a lot of cryptocurrencies price change become positive. Same like that, Ankr coin price change become positive in the India of month. So I think that's why the changes of the Ankr coin is positive due to the end of month. So now I recommend for all of you in this video, the purpose of making this video is that please hold Ankr coin to the last of July, my friends, to the end of July. Never sell your coin before end of July, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.